Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off safe mode on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, turning off safe mode allows you to restore the device to its normal operating mode with full functionality. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode that limits the device to essential functions, so disabling it ensures that all features and capabilities are available for use. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the activation of safe mode, I will first navigate to the control center on my device. And within the control center, I will locate and tap on the power icon to access the power options. So, to enable safe mode, I will press and hold the power off option, and then select the safe mode feature. Okay, this action will trigger the process of activating safe mode on my device. Once safe mode is successfully activated, a distinct label indicating safe mode will be displayed. Okay, in safe mode, all third-party applications will be temporarily disabled, providing a clean and controlled environment to troubleshoot any software-related issues. Okay, so the way to disable safe mode and return the device to its normal operating mode, I will access the control center again and tap on the power icon. Okay, and from the power options, I will select the restart option to reboot the device and exit safe mode. Okay, this process will deactivate safe mode and allow all apps to resume normal operation. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off safe mode on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.